No! Marcus! Hey, I thought you were dead!
One stormy night, Lucas and Marcus were filming a video in their backyard when they noticed strange footsteps behind the trees. Suddenly, out of the shadows emerged a tall figure in a tattered black cloak, Creepy Man. His face was hidden behind a cracked mask, and his movements were fast and silent. The twins froze in fear. Before they could run, Creepy Man lunged forward, knocking Marcus to the ground. Lucas screamed, trying to help his brother, but Creepy Man grabbed him by the arm and vanished into the darkness with terrifying speed. Marcus scrambled to his feet, shouting Lucas's name, but the forest had swallowed them both. Only the sound of rustling leaves and distant thunder remained. Desperate and panicked, Marcus ran toward the house, determined to get help. He knew Creepy Man was no ordinary man, and if he didn't act fast, Lucas might never return. The nightmare had only just begun.